Hello and welcome to a brief tutorial discussing how to create sign-up units or sign-up forms on the platform Attentive, brought to you by Z from Sandhill Digital. So on the left-hand sidebar, you're going to see a section called Growth. Beneath that, Sign-up Units. We're going to click on that. We're going to breeze through some of this so we can get to the juice of the video, which is actually creating sign-up forms, but I will give you a general overview. And that is, this section right here will display all your metrics across all your sign-up forms. Once again, this is a test account, so we don't have anything live. Down here, we'll actually show you a list of all your forms, and you can see more nuanced details and click into them and edit them from there, pre-existing ones. I don't do anything with schedules or rules. Schedules basically is scheduling out forms to turn live or turn off at certain times for, say, for sales or testing. Rules, I don't even go into that really. A/B tests will show up down here as well, but also you can specifically view only A/B tests by clicking on this tab. So let's go over here. Choosing a template. I think we're all very familiar with templates. This is going to be a great way to leapfrog when it comes to certain stylistic aspects of creating a form, but I think we know what they all do with templates. They're great, but we're going to build one from scratch so you can get more of a taste of how the builder works and functions. So up here, we're going to give it a name. It will not let you proceed without giving it a name. Down here, you're going to have integrations. Right now, we have Shopify, but primarily I use sign-up units and build up from scratch. You're going to have three different options down here. A landing page, which will format based on the platform no matter what, because it's an entire landing page, so it does not have two options. Up here, you're going to have mobile and desktop, which splits into two between full screen and partial. Attentive recommends using full screen, but I find that to be intrusive sometimes for the customer, so we're going to be making a partial today, and we're going to be making one in mobile just to give you a taste. So up here, generally speaking, you will have an offer attached to a form. Many times you will not, but for instance, if you're making a welcome flow and people are signing up for the sign-up form for the first time, they're going to funnel into a flow, and you're going to want to have an offer connected to that. So you'd have a list of your offers down here, and you can simply connect them so that it knows to associate this form with that offer. And same thing down here. You're going to have a list of flows, and then you connect this to the flow. So if someone goes through and fills the sign-up form, they instantly get shunted over into that flow. So it's basically you're connecting everything from your already pre-existing items in your account, which we'll get to in other videos. You have your background image, you have audience targeting for more specific nuances, but we're going to be going over here and looking at how to edit things. You're going to have two ways to edit things. You can click from the side-hand bar right here, and it will take you right over there to edit, which is corresponding right here, headline, or you can click and directly choose what you want to edit from clicking right over here on the actual physical item. And you can see there's going to be plenty of ways to format and edit them and change the verbiage. This one's right here is broken because we don't have it connected to Shopify. This is a test account, remember. But you will, generally speaking, be able to do lots of different things here. That's why I also encourage using the templates. You may have more versatility if you feel uncomfortable starting from scratch. So we're going to go back. Once again, this is the email page. You have the option to further have a dismiss button, which people know they can exit out, but this also gives people more transparency to exit out more quickly. And you can also have a countdown, suppose it's for sales or whatnot. It can be site-wide or visitor-specific as well, which is pretty cool. I recommend this as a neat little one there. Brand styles, we can get to that another point. That's basically your uploaded styles, and you can have it preset, and then you can edit from there. But we're going to move on to the next one, which is the SMS page. Once again, same format. You click save. And then over here, these next two look confusing. You can't edit them from here, but these are basically displaying what they would look like after someone signs out the form and what they'd be getting in a text format. Because once again, this is going to be primarily for mobile and SMS. And this last one here is going to be your teaser or your bubble, as Attentive calls it. And once again, you can go and edit to your heart's content here as well. You can expand, you can choose the targeting and how it shows up and all other sorts of nuances. But generally speaking, it's very straightforward, and you can play around templates or you can make one from scratch, and you can do quite a bit with these forms, and I highly encourage you to test them out.